You see? You know no song we sell 200,000 copies yet, brother. You know no song in the Billboard chart yet, brother. So you can come talk about like your style, like your downgrade Vegas. No, you can't do that, youth. So take this as a lesson, little youth. Little big youth. You see? And this is a lesson, brother. You don't need this. Focus on your career and your lane with your inner youth. And everybody you can bad up. You see? And anybody else who want to get involved in that something here, stop the fools, brethren. If you not be fun, just be fun and take side. If you not take side on a musical level. So I say, if you want to say Vegas song no sound good, it's fine. If you want to say the pedophile a lead, it's fine. If you want to say Vegas song a nursery rhyme, it's fine. If you want to use the epithet them where your pedophile boss I use, it's fine. But once you bring violence night and suck your mother and gunshot behind it or bad man thing behind it, and then you go make video and talk about pitney and this and that and one bag of thing, no, it get too personal, youth. I mean, I have a history of feuding, brother. It get too personal. So humble back down yourself, youth. Humble back down yourself and stick to your music and your girls them. You see what I say? Just humble yourself, youth. You see? Nobody make nobody fool you come from Seaview and we know it's a bad place. You understand what I say? Because the Seaview man of dead, the Seaview woman of dead, the uptown man of dead, the round town man of dead. Everyone of we are going dead one day, brother. Just understand that. The baddest man right now in Jamaica go dead one day. You see? So the only thing I go happen, I go just kill a man in a maybe youthful days before natural causes. But one day, even if we don't get old, we not come to the earth too. Badness and foolishness, youth. That's why you see me say yesterday, say me don't want to do it. Because me know say badness and foolishness, youth. Gunman thing a fool something. Most of them man here we are turn gunman. Every gunman we see police and the soldier them go kill what they are bush them living in. Badness and foolishness. You see? I in a bush them they live like wild animal. Hide from police and hide from soldier. Can't sleep, can't get nothing. Have a kidnap girl for go get little sex. Or a girl will love them, go look for them and give them little pum pum after watch which part them a walk if nobody a watch them and all kind of something. Badness and foolishness, youth. Dexter. Badness and foolishness, youth. You see? Focus on your life. Focus on don't drop asleep again for somebody put a panty on you. Because next time they gonna not put a panty, they gonna put something else on you and take a picture. And you don't want that. Because I don't think Jamaican people are your fan base, them ready for that. You see what I say? Yeah. You see? Because no for them girls nowadays I walk with dildo, you know. I understand that too. No for them girls, the freaky girls, they walk around with dildo, you know. So don't drop asleep so dead and don't make no girl drugs. If I drugs them drug you. You understand me? I say if I drug them drug you, be careful. Focus on that and focus on your life, youth. And be safe. You understand me? I say? Man, you know upon a war, youth. Badness and foolishness. One day when you have time, go sit down with brother Josie Wales and make him educate you upon what badness is. I go sit down with brother George Pang and make him educate upon what badness is. I take a trip and go check one of the real guru them, one of the real bad man them. And one day, just take a trip and go check one of the Dan them when I prison down at Jamaica. Go check one of the Dan them in the prison them at Jamaica and say, tell me about badness. And say if they had to live their lives all over again, if they would take the same road. You understand, youth? Because badness are two things little. Death or prison. Early death or prison. You see what I say? So enjoy your life if you love life like that, man. You see? And make your blessing go and flow down upon your brother. You understand? You see? And Jesse Royal, stay tight here. Jesse Royal, stay tight. May I warn you, brother. Stay tight, brother. You have enough problems in the Rasta community. If you support a pedophile. Jesse Royal, you can be a fan youth, but don't be a fool. Jesse Royal, stay out of it. You see? Stay out of it, youth. Enough problem in the Rasta world. I could leave it there, sir, yeah? Because I see what you do. Just leave it alone, youth. Rasta, you see Rasta? Rastafarianism, I want something with deal with discipline and balance, brother. You see? Rastafarianism deal with balance and discipline. Have some discipline, youth. You see what I say? Just leave it alone. And you know who I talk to. So leave it alone. See? And big up yourself, youth. You're a great artist. Stay as a great artist, youth. You see what I say? Nobody come take no side and go and some support no pedophile boy and not this when you do it. You understand what I say? Jesse Royal? Yeah, man. If you go, we could leave it there, so. You know me at that. You see what I say? Because you're going to put on the Santa outfit this December again and football go beat you. So focus on what you have to do to uphold the Rastafarian doctrine and the principles. You see what I say? I understand that, you. So I don't take it as a diss. Take it as a lesson. Alright? So between you and Dexter, you don't stay neutral. If you don't support the music, bust shot for the music. If the general put out a song and the song bad, bust shot feed. Put lighter up feed. Put torch up feed. All of them things. You understand what I say? Even same a lead. It's all good. But don't get personal. You pray? I could stay at music. I could stay with Dexter. Stay at music, youth. You see? Badness no fit you. Badness no fit you. 100%. Badness don't fit you. Me know you try prove and you try show say a gringo in the road. But a foolishness. It's foolishness, youth. Honestly, me I tell you, a foolishness. You see? Yeah. So go and enjoy your life, man. You don't need the gringo thing. Me know you well maybe want to be a Dan. And you want to lock off some ends. But a foolishness. You see? Because you go get some little innocent youth for dead. And them mother and them family are going to lose them pitney. And you go to feel like, you see what I say? Yeah. Low badness, youth. Low badness, youth. Enjoy your blessing, youth. Blessings pouring down, down like a waterfall, pouring down.